So, anyway, the reason why I'm very concerned is that with the displacement of OFWs and a lot of retrenchment going on in the country, um, it's been our dream for the last 20 years to help entrepreneurs look at franchising as an option. Kasi nga, my work when I was overseas was to really propagate franchising. I used to be with Shakey's International, was based in different country, how the benefit. And so when we came back to the country and not knowing any business, the idea started on franchising. Um, I was like a lone wolf out in the desert trying to preach the gospel of franchising. And I'm glad that um, some entrepreneurs whom I spoke, and like Richie, for example, took note of that and started to look at franchising as a way, which later on you can say how it benefited it. And so I still continue with my seminars, Air, Land, and Sea, until the 2005 when I met an accident after giving a pro bono seminar in Tubigarao. And that costed me almost my life, and it really cost me a 12-inch gauge right now, a titanium gauge on my right hip, which I have an implant. But that did not stop me because I started to produce books, started to, again, very aggressively write. That's the reason why I came up with the recent book called Is Franchising for You? So